Welcome. If you want to hide apps on your ASUS ROG Phone 3, at the first you have to be in the home screen, then click and hold. Next move to the preferences, tap on the hide apps, and as you can see right here we got all apps that we have on the smartphone. So I would like to hide maybe YouTube Music and the normal YouTube also. So what you have to do right now when you tap on it, just go back, and as you can see saves, changes were saved, and right now when you try to find YouTube we cannot. Even when we type on the search bar, and let's check if they will appear on the apps. When you go right here to see all apps, and let's go below, and as you can see right here they are, and we can still open it by using it here, but it will not appear on the menu as you can see. So it's not like the full hide of the app, it's like the part hide of the app, but I think it's not that bad, right? So yeah, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.